And now the time has come, guys. I will reveal the trading account. Okay, there it is. Okay, these are the trades that I've opened at the non-farm payroll, which was last Friday. Also, it's worth mentioning that I did not get this non-farm payroll right, although my success rate is quite high. Okay, but I said there will be a correction on the markets. I said very likely the dollar will keep dropping, yeah, considering what is happening in the States, and very, very likely the euro will rise a bit. Okay, that's what I said. Now, obviously, I had some reasons behind it. I did some technical analysis on a longer period of time, also some information, okay, and basically a lot of knowledge about what is going on. And that led to my prediction. The reason why I couldn't disclose my trades was that, one, that would have came across as investment advice, and we are not allowed to do that. And two, I didn't close the trades then. So showing you some ongoing trades wouldn't make any difference. But now I will close the trades, guys, after 1 week. And I want to show you the amazing commission that Forex Cube is charging me for all those positions. Yeah, I have quite a few positions open. Okay, and I'll explain to you the swaps and why and how everything works. So what did I do on last Friday? Yeah, at the non-farm payroll. Basically, I said the dollar will weaken. Yeah, that means euro, pound, and gold should have went higher. Okay, that was what I grabbed from consensus and what I decided to go with at the non-farm payroll. Now, the non-farm payroll, even though the non-farm payroll came out negative, and I was right, things that happened behind the scenes. Hi, Tiago. How you doing, man? Hi, guys. I can see you're typing comments. Well done. Thanks for interacting. Right. So I was saying, okay, I got the non-farm payroll right, yeah, in terms of non-farm payroll dropping, but I didn't get right the our average hourly earnings, okay, and the unemployment rate, which dropped. So as I explained to you last Friday, when you have 5 announcements, yeah, coming out at once, if they don't all point to the same direction, then you're going to have huge volatility on the market, and the market will very likely react to the positive news, yeah, which is a decline in unemployment and a rise in average hourly earnings. Yeah, basically that measures how much people are getting paid per hour in the States. So if it rose from the previous month, that's a very good thing. Yeah, it means people can spend more money, fueling growth in the economy, yeah, and sustaining the economy. Right. So the trades I took back then were buy Euro USD, yeah, buy the cable, the pound versus the US dollar, buy gold, and I sold USD Canadian, USD CHF, and what was the third one? USD Canadian and USD JPY. Okay, these were the positions. Now, when I saw that the trades weren't going in my favor, and I had quite a big drawdown on the trading account, I could say I had a $4,000 drawdown at some point. Okay, which means if I would have closed all the positions back then, I would have lost $4,000. Okay, no doubt about it. Now, having the information and having my own opinions on where the market is going to go and so on, which again I cannot really share with you guys out front because that comes across as investment advice. I kept the positions going, yeah. And even more than that, when I saw the positions were going against me for a day or two, I decided to go with another buy or sell position at a lower rate, okay, or a higher rate. Why? Because I was convinced sooner or later it will go my way. Okay, I was convinced this week is going to go my way because I was waiting for the ECB interest rate decision and the ECB conference, and I was hoping for Christine Lagarde to say all those nice things. Now, have a look at the bottom right. Yeah, bottom right of the screen. That's the overall profit, which now stands at just short of 6,000, and it's slowly declining because the markets are very, very active. Okay, so Euro USD, yeah, I had a buy position. You can see the entry price. You can see the commission that Forex Cube charged me for keeping that position open for so many days, almost a week, guys. Okay, and you can see the swap, okay, which again happened over a week almost. So the commission, because I traded the one lot, yeah, which means 100,000 units, okay, or 100,000 euros. Yeah, the commission is only $1.50. Yeah, it's a total of $3 in and out. So they charge me $1.50 when I open the position and $1.50 when I close the position. Yeah, that's what in and out means. Now, for keeping my trades open for almost a week, guys, I paid $29.78. Yeah, $29 or euros, yeah, and 78 cents on a position that's worth 100,000. Okay, so very, very small swap, very small rollover. Yeah, for keeping these positions open. That eventually brought me $500. Yeah, $490. Right. The second position was gold, guys. Again, one lot on gold. Again, the commission was very, very little, $1.50 when I entered the trade. Okay, and they're going to charge me another $1.50 when I exit the trade. Okay, and the rollover paid for keeping my gold trade open for almost a week, for 6 days, was only $39.76. Yeah, and the profit that gold brought me is $2,000 and $100. Yeah, $2,000 So it's not a big cost. This is part of the cost of trading. Okay, this is how the cost of trading works. It's not really a big deal. Now, what do I have here? USD Canadian. Yeah, again, on the USD Canadian, the USD Canadian was very stubborn, guys. It went up. Yeah, you can see here, it went up for 5 days straight. Okay, I knew it's going to drop eventually because I told you I did a bit of technical analysis on the longer, on the higher time frame. Okay, now I opened additional sell positions. So the first sell position that I opened was down here. Okay, from there it went up, it went up, it went up. It was going against me. It was eating from my balance. Okay, which was fine as long as this correction came. Yeah. And I opened another sell position at a higher rate, only half a lot at that point. And then I opened another half a lot, another sell position at the very, very top. So as the price comes down, my first two positions went into profit. Okay. And now the only one that needs to wait until it goes into profit is the third one. Yeah, the first one, basically, that I've opened last Friday. Right, I'm not going to close this one. I'm going to keep it open, or I might as well close it because the other two positions that I have on USD Canadian are already in profit. So I'm not only breaking even, I'm still making a bit of money. Okay, on top of that. Now let's move on to the other position. Bear with me for just a second, guys. All right, guys, we're back. Sorry, we had a bit of a technical issue here, a technical glitch. Right, we are back. We are back. So the third position, right, I'm breaking even. Even if I close this one with a loss of $304, I'm in profit on the other one of $392. So I'm still in profit, even if I close that with a bit of a loss. Okay, let's have a look at the USD CHF. Okay, and see what happened. There you go. That's the USD CHF. Again, I opened an additional sell position of only half a lot when after I saw the dollar pushing higher and higher and higher, because I was very far from the action price, and I decided to go with an additional sell position. Yeah, not to contradict myself. Again, $1.50 I paid for the entry and a rollover of $31. Okay, over 6 days on an amount of, what was that, 100,000 units. Yeah, right. Then USD CHF, No, that's the gold again. A second position on gold. So I'm making $4,000 only on gold, guys. Yeah, $4,400 on my two positions on gold. Yeah, my two buy positions. Let's move on to USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY. Only $80 in profit on this one, but again, it's money earned, it's a profit, so not a problem at all. Now I came in with this position on Monday or Tuesday. When was it? I can see it right on the 8th. Yeah, so 2 days ago. Okay, I opened this additional position, which was half a lot. And again, Forex Cube only charged me 75 cents, guys. That's almost nothing. Yeah, on $50,000. They only charged me 75 cents to enter. They're going to charge me another 75 cents to exit. That's $1.50. That's absolutely no problem. Yeah, with a rollover of almost $8, yeah, over 3 days, which again is fine. Right now, I'm $7,000 in profit, or just short of $7,000. I'm going to start closing the trades one by one. Okay, and I will show you my trading history from the beginning of the month. Yes, so to close the positions one by one, all you have to do on the MT4, MT5, you just click on the X at the very far right, and your positions will start closing, yeah, one by one. There you go. You can check the execution in the same time. Very good execution. Absolutely no delay on Forex Cube's platform. Okay, now my balance on my demo account looks like this: $27,000.50. Yeah, no, $20,050. Sorry. Right. I started trading on this demo account. When was it? 2 months ago. Yeah, with a balance of $14,000. I didn't do a lot of trading. I took a few longer term positions. I didn't do much intraday. Okay, and I managed to take the balance in the trading account to $22,000 just before the non-farm payroll, which was last Friday. Okay, and after the non-farm payroll, a week later, closing all my positions, the balance now is at $27,000. Okay, in 2 months, without overexposing my trading account, yeah, without opening and closing a million positions a day. Okay, I managed to make, let's say, smart money, yeah, on the demo. So there's the account history. Yeah, only from the beginning of the month, because on demo accounts, guys, it refreshes every month. But I have the track record. If I want to, I can download it from the server. All right, so this month I am up $11,000. Yeah, $10,955. Okay, these are all the trades that I placed this month. Okay, quite a few, but in comparison to other traders, they're absolutely ridiculous when it comes to sizes and amounts and so on. Okay, so only very few losing trades. I see a big one at the very bottom, which is $955. I got stopped out there by my stop loss. That's why sometimes it's a good idea not to use a stop loss. But again, that's how I do it. You can do it either way you want to do it. It's not a must. Yeah, to use a stop loss or don't use a stop loss. It all has to do with the flexibility you have in your trading account. Okay, if you have good flexibility and you only expose a small portion from your trading account, then it's no problem. You can keep it open for a longer period of time. The likelihood of you getting wiped out is minimum. It's not zero, but it's minimum. Okay, but otherwise, I don't know if you would get wiped out if you stick to the basics and you don't overexpose your trading account. Yeah, you don't open positions that contradict themselves and so on. Okay, then I had another tiny loss here of $265, $233, 165, and minus 24. And from here on, yeah, it's all profit. I took the demo account more seriously, okay, because I had a point to prove. And there you go. Yeah, QED. If you just trade, in my case, the strength of the dollar, yeah, up or down, and you open a few correlated positions and you have a bit of flexibility in your trading account, okay, you will very likely make profits. Yeah, because sooner or later it will go your way. Now, it would be even better, obviously, to calculate your entry the right way and don't have a lot of a drawdown on your trading account after you enter the market, of course. But just in case you do, and just in case that doesn't happen, then you need to know how to play with your trading account, how much breathing space to leave, if it's worth it to open additional positions. Maybe you want to hedge it. Okay, you have various trading strategies, but I'll get to that at a later stage. Okay, so that's why I needed a stronger euro. That's why I've been crying the entire week that I want a weak dollar, I want a strong euro, because I knew it's going to happen. I just didn't know when, and I just couldn't put up with the waiting anymore. Okay, this is it. Yeah, so this is one way of trading, guys. It is possible, it is doable. We managed to test the execution with Forex Cube as well.